So guys, this is a Fielder. I managed to buy this car. This is a salvage car. I bought it from a neighbor which was stolen for so many years. So I want to restore this car. So I'll be taking you guys through the process of restoration. So let me show you how the car is right now. So as you can see, this car was being done by some local mechanics who are just trying to make it be on the road. Everything on this car, from the engine, at least I see some life on the engine. I'll have to do some restoration on this. I'm going to do a new harness on this. And if you can see, this car is in a very bad condition. Yeah, it has fillers everywhere around the car. You cannot imagine the much I bought this car. This is a Fielder. Let me show you from outside. Yeah, the bumpers, a lot of things that need to be bought for this car. So I'm just trying to see if I can salvage this and have it back on the road. Yeah, the interior is not that badly off. Yeah, but the door cards, you can see all the door cards are torn, are out, has no ignition. The dashboard, yeah, everything vandalized. The car is something else. Yeah, even from the carpet. Yeah, this car is rotten. Yeah, you can have a look at the metal inside. Yeah, so corrosion everywhere. So let me try and see. At least, yeah, you can even see that hole. So a lot of things are off with the car. So let me try and look at the boot. Oh, at least the boot is working, but nothing to smile about. The condition, the state. Yeah, have a look at it. This is a Fielder, nice engine, 1NZ. So this will be the project that I'll be dealing with. Yeah, the bumpers, the everything all not in shape. These are 1NZ FE engine. So I'm thinking the engine might be good, so I'll have to try and sort even the wiring harness, everything broken. So it will be a matter of trying to see if I can make these back on the road. So let us start the restoration process at Bofa Garage. So these some dirt and debris. There is even is it a weed planting or tree? So having to clean all these. So let me look for a wire brush. Maybe this is a wire brush. Yeah, so trying to see how the corrosion has happened. So this will be the way out, trying to. So guys, this is the wire harness. I've managed to remove all the wirings. So this is where it's connected to the dash. So I've managed to remove all the wires. Yeah, from the ABS pump to the coils to the injectors. Yeah, so here is the wire harness of the car. So this is the fuse box, which is around the battery area. Yeah, so this is the dash. I've managed to dismantle the dash. Yeah, so these are tons of wires. So I've managed to dismantle the dash, try to access the connectors, the sockets to the wiring harness, which I've managed to remove. So I'll be going to the market trying to shop for the complete wire harness for this Fielder. Hopefully I'll get nice prices for this. So let us meet at the market.